Deep personalization is essential than ever for businesses in a customer-centric era, where the wealth of choices and stiff competition means customer experiences can make or break a sale. Social listening tools have become a decisive way to measure customer sentiments and conducting audience research. These tools are extremely good at mining unstructured text such as social media posts. Smart social listening tools are gaining exposure and recognition on their ability to conduct extensive consumer research insights, measure audience sentiment, and aid key decision-making. Brands are using them to track, analyze and respond to the conversations about them on social media. The combination of data analytics, artificial intelligence and social media enable the businesses to profoundly and rapidly analyze the customer's behavior. Trends and patterns appearing in comprehensive market research are converted into crucial consumer insights and offer a platform supporting product, campaign and brand. Social listening helps in discovering customer insights and the spending capacity of the customer. These insights help brands to build a relationship with the customer by offering relevant product recommendations and increasing sales. One objective is to know what the potential customers want. Another goal is in-depth analysis of the customer engagements. Social listening tool allows to predict consumer behavior with AI. The positions it offers provide the similar insights that Amazon and Netflix employ to expect products that consumers are buying. This platform identifies the buying patterns from the history of the consumer data, and use it to make recommendations. Zinio's founders have a background in using mathematical modeling and machine learning to advertise technology that the company raised $3.5 million. Popular social media tool Hootsuite defines social listening as tracking your social media platforms for mentions and conversations related to your brand and then analyzing them for insights and opportunities to act. There is a two-step process. Monitors social media channels for mention of brands, competitors, products and keywords related to your business. Analyzing the information for ways to take action, from responding to a happy customer to shifting your entire brand positioning. Social listening distinguishes from social monitoring that it adds an action component to the data. Social listening looks beyond numbers, considering the mood behind the data. It is also known as social media sentiment. It offers 5 tips for social listening. Listen everywhere. Learn from the competition. Collaborate with other teams. Roll with the changes. Take action. Hootsuite offers its social listening tool for setting up a listening post. It paired with resources from BrandWatch, a digital consumer intelligence company, to access 1.3 trillion social posts in real time. There are a few social listening products or services offered. AI-powered social media listening by Digimind. Digimind describes services as being AI-powered social media listening by providing real-time software to assist brands in listening, engaging, analyzing, and report, according to an account from Influencer Marketing Hub. This tool displays social conversations about the customer's brand, splitting them into categories and giving each a positive, negative, or neutral sentiment rating. Digimind Social also allows us to look at your brand image based on Google search behavior. It follows customers in real time, like brands, products, people, and competitors. This tool responds to markets' expressed interest in using AI to deliver better customer experiences, to analyze a lot of data, achieve highly granular personalization as a result. Digimind AI Sense leverage machine learning, NLP and image recognition. It offers automated tagging of mentions, relevance scoring, and sentiment analysis based on thousands of qualified statements, and image recognition trained on thousands of qualified images. It allows users to observe text mentions of their brands with logo presentations as well. Social Media Intelligence by Synthesio. Synthesio offers social media intelligence, including next-generation AI. The firm's social media intelligence suite monitors the online presence of the businesses and provides insights. This platform captures social media information from 195 companies in more than 80 languages and sentiment analysis in more than 20 languages. This tracks views, likes, favorites, replies, retweets, and shares from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube directly onto the listening dashboards. Users can add high-level business intelligence with media value and engagement rate widgets. Massive pre-filtered data sets exported via API or using an in-house tool. Social listening metrics merged with performance data in many SaaS business intelligence tools. Signal Trend Detection announced a collaboration with its parent Ipsos, with years of experience with data science and statistics. These two companies outlined plans to bring new products and features to market as a result of significant investments in AI. R&D staff, data sources, integrations, images, video analysis, sentiment analysis, user experience. Strengthen your consumer positioning. Consumers have the luxury of choice, and brand messages are critical in making a lasting impression and influencing purchasing decisions. Implementing a business model uses deep personalization to target your consumers and dislikes one foot in the door. Consumers are more inclined to continue pursuing brand if they like what they have seen from brand offers and social media posts to product descriptions. Social listening insights are beneficial in this context, as you can optimize your messaging to target your potential customers. It can ultimately affect consumer behavior online and bring the customer journeys closer in this highly competitive digital space. Social media listening drives customer personalization and delivers highly motivating messages, along with business innovations, designed to boost growth and increase customer lifetime values. Consumers will have trust in business as soon as they feel satisfied and valued as individuals rather than being a number to your sales figure. Future. As more brands and businesses offer increasingly personalized content and recommendations at every customer touchpoint, it is more likely that social listening will be most preferred technology in the years to come. A long-term strategy requires constant fine-tuning and goal matching to be successful.